Hello guys, welcome to my new video, and today we are going to Narkanda. So we are going Narkanda to see snow, and very soon we will reach our snow point. Narkanda is about 65 kilometers away from Shimla and on the altitude of about 10,000 feet. The way is just beautiful. On track, on left hand side we can see the valleys covered with beautiful trees, and on the right hand side we can see mountains covered with beautiful snow. अब हम पहुंच गए हैं नारकंडा और अब हम देखने वाले हैं बहुत सारी बर्फ। पापा लग रहे हैं एस्ट्रोनॉट। What you know about rolling down in the deep? ये गाना है एस्ट्रोनॉट इन द ओशन, लेकिन अब है एस्ट्रोनॉट इन द स्नो। और गाइस वो है बर्फ। इधर सुबह सुबह ट्रैकिंग होती है, स्नो ट्रैकिंग, लेकिन हम अभी उधर नहीं जा रहे हैं बल्कि हम इस तरफ जा रहे हैं। कैमरा मूव। अभी हम ऊपर जाएंगे, उधर बर्फ होगी। And guys, the first time in my life I saw snow after I saw in the fridge, and my mind was blown away and I had to spend half an hour finding it. We had a lot of fun, especially me and my mom, because my dad was making videos. I played with snow. I even made a snowman.
आप बोलो, ये स्नोमैन मैंने बनाया है।
ये स्नोमैन मैंने बनाया है।
बहुत मेहनत करके।
बहुत मेहनत करके।
और अकेले बनाया है।
आपके लिए बनाया है।
आपके लिए बनाया है?
अकेले बनाया
नहीं, आपके लिए बनाया है।
We saw snow, more snow, and a lot of snow. But then we saw zip line, and on the zip line we saw a guy using phone. Well, maybe he was doing a important business deal. And I think in 5-kilometer radius there wasn't a single tea stall. But then between the snow I saw it. There was a guy boiling delicious heaven in a teapot. After this long and happy day, we were quite tired, so now we wanted to go home, Shimla, to our hotel. And while returning, we saw the glittering snow reflecting the sunlight, and it was just beautiful. I simply enjoyed this trip a lot, and if you enjoyed this, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe this channel and share this with your friends, because happiness is always better when shared. And don't forget guys, you are the roots of my channel.